What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Nora Crystal. And today I am going to tell you guys the new, also the cool things. Ta-da! So you can trade this stuff with a double trade. It's called a double trade. So when you try to trade or turn one trade, it said travel to the safety hub to get you trading listen. So you have to click this button. Guys, see the new trade is coming yesterday, but I didn't even play. I just wait a day, but it's okay. So guys, go to the Adopt Me Iceland and make sure that you guys come in here. So this place is next to the Petware, yeah, next to the boat. So see, oh my god, it's so cool. Wait, something is up there. What is that? Okay, so let me fly my first fire. Ooh, I don't know what does this mean. I'm dumb. Anyways, let's get in. This place looks so cool. Oh my god, also it's blue. Oh my god, Adopt Me is so good at making this. Oh my god. So when you guys will see this, and also there's some person that's trading right here. See this? Yeah. So first you have to talk to the agents. The agents Jax. I don't know, the name is agents. Okay, so he's talking. Hello, Satan, welcome to the behind the door is the trade. If you don't press, what happened? Remember to never trust people you don't know. Click E. Don't trade me. Oh, that's all. So first you have to talk to this guy, and let's get in here. Go to this store and you guys will see something amazing. Wow, there's a lot of book, right? What a good, wow, this place is going to be the secret places. Wait, let me try it. Try with my Easter egg. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it can. Oh my god. Oh, this is such the coolest place ever. Okay, let's just get back. You have to get back. Okay, first you have to go back to on Earth. Okay, fly it first. Yeah. Okay, we done with this. Next, talk to the agent and Rex. Would you like to start being the trade? Okay, so now we can do the trade. And hey, do you want for free? Oh, it's me, the agent. Yeah, I think this is a scammer and this is me. So I said, oh my god, thanks. Oh, they're acting to be me. Is this straight Saf? Stranger. I think this straight is not Saf. Wait, we should get the Saf one. Okay, let's just talk again. Because I don't trust it, but let's again. I just have to unicorn for my shadow dragon. One treat. Unicorn, then I will treat you. Can trust me. This is a scam. This is actually 100%. Aw, I mean it. try for free, huh? Yeah. Okay, so this is talking again. So I give a dog to the stranger and I said no. Wait, what? I wrong again? No. Well, I should really have to give my dog to him. No, I'm falling off this. I'm too dumb. Okay, so let's begin. Hey, do you want to trade? I mean, he said, do you want it for free? Yeah. Oh, where is the free stuff? Oh my god, thanks. So this is me? But how do they put the clone of me? Click this. Done. Next one. If you give me giraffe, now I will give you a dragon on my elite lady. Just a dragon? Bruh. That's not a soft trade, guys. Don't trust. Give me your giraffe first, then later I will give back. This is such a scam. So I'm gonna let's decline. 3, 2, 1, decline. Yay, the last one. Unicorn hit escape twice, it glitches and you can't go. This is 100% scam. How make it? 200, I just got them all these. This really strange outcome. You can trade the robot. I have to get the decline. Yes, I did it! Congratulations, you passed a step forward and climbed the decision. But I didn't get the giraffe. Though I can still have my giraffe. But I get the reward! You can find a reason in your backpack. Use it to view your trade history anytime. Now I can trade it! Wow! It's going to be so cool. Now it's time to go to agent menu. I see you have. You can use a check trade history anytime. Aww, I can check this history. It means that you guys can check this history. The trade history book also show our most recent trade. Also, the book show you the trades. Use it whenever you want. Oh my god, thank you. I hope this trade is not going to be I hope this trade always available. That how I can put more stuff first. I hope that there's no more scam. Now I can trade it. Okay guys, so I will going to be show you guys the step again. First, you guys come here. Come to the here, and also second, talk to the agent desk and go to the store. Yeah, I have to talk again. And after you go to the door, you have to finish all the trade that's you must click the soft trade. And you have to get the reward and come here, talk to the agent Lily. And then agent Lily, she said that you can put the trade. You can see the trade here. Also, you can see something cool when you doing the trade. So this is how you guys get the trade. Okay, so let's try to trade the people right now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get something really pretty kind. I have to trade my neon turtle. Okay, so I take out my neon turtle. Okay, excuse me, everyone is here. My trade is already on. Oh, someone just traded me. 3, 2, 1, put it. Omega bee, a queen, a monkey. That's 300, sorry. It's me. He rich. I hope he escaped the street if he will. But this is number 3. Okay guys, so right now I have to put a trait that the trait is the good trait. So let me take out my oil, my booba. Okay, someone actually trade me. What a bad trade. Try to scam me. That's not a fair observer, sorry, excuse me, but... And it's kind of fun to guys because the trade is so a lot. And also, everyone can add more. Yeah. Okay, so the Frost Dragon for oil. Okay, so I have to do this straight line because I'm too rich. Just kidding. I'm not that rich. I'm just a normal girl that have some weirdo stuff. But anyways, what do you guys think of our video today? If you guys enjoy and wanna see more cool videos and also the awesome, so make sure to click the subscribe button or the like button to the. Make sure that you guys go to hit the click subscribe button to unlock the channel. And also thank you guys so much for watching the video. And I hope you guys enjoy. And between these guys, I am going to give away some pet if your guys hit a thumbs up, also subscribe my channel to hit to the 100 subscriber. I'm going to be doing the giveaway for you guys as well. So make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. Guys, enjoy!